Hasselroth Kemen Humnath.
My duty, the Arbaheart. She is nature's very heart. We have always lived in harmony, yet, day by day, a special kind. Once, a dwarf wandered into the arbor and gifted some. Now, do you know of this substance? If you find any, will you...
Salma Arenfen. Alekanon. Well,
Oh, you're looking for Gwyfenture, with which... How long has it? I'd have thought it a word forgotten among my people. At any rate, the word by which you may know it is...
Scale cinder? But hold a moment. Is this that scale cinders? It forms in the soot of the forge. As a matter of fact, but pay a visit to any smithy in Batal.
There's no place I'd rather be. Don't bring trouble to my... More than my life's work.
Aye.
Yes.
What? Looking... Oh, 'tis at an elf's behest, you say? I'm afraid that changes things a wee bit. Elves and dwarves don't get along, see? Unless you were to... Listen, I happen to know there's one bit of elven culture, no dwarf. All elven fares, bland as grass. All of it. That is... Of course, no dwarf would openly... But the fact of the matter is, the mere smell of that dish has dwarf...
Creaking knees.
Kemen Ross, Makassar.
Have you found Gwyfenture? A dwarven blacksmith has some? But elves and dwarves do not You believe he will if I prepare a nutriarb? Are you certain? It is a pungent... But I shall prepare it. Would you be willing to... You won't have to go far to find them. I thank you. I bring them to me, and I will... Do you have the ingredients? This is all I need. I will... My people dwell in the mountains, so this dish was first made by an elf with a... These fish already stink of nutriarb is oft served at celebratory... I must endure... It is almost finished, thankfully. It is ready, but it is... I fear the dwarven blacksmith will... But I will trust in you. Come, I thank you. Here, my brother gave this to me.
You're back! An elf? I ne'er met one afore. Well met. The name...
Well met.
She's the one who's after the scale cinder, Have you brought some of that elven delicacy along with...
Yes.
Marvellous. I thought I smelt it on you. Right, follow me. I've just cleaned out the forge, see? So come on, you two. The cavern's...
Shall we follow Sir Sarah, Master? With any luck, we'll have pockets full of scale cinder before the day is done.
Understood.
Right, here we are.
What's all this racket? You imbecile! You brought an...
Hold a moment, Brocker. She's brought...
A gift.
Ah! What makes... I'm gonna go dispose of this. And I expect the elf to be...
What am I to do now?
What you came here for?
Truly?
You'll have to be quick, mind. Brocker, while you're at it, you might have yourselves a little competition, eh? Anyway, good luck. I'll be out... Best start searching. Brocker might be back any moment.
It seems Sir Brocker has a taste for the elven dish after all.
Oh! Are you... That was quick. Suppose we'll wait till...
My heart is racing. I thought the dwarf would catch us. How much Oh, it seems for now, I must return. I hope you will come visit us again. And I must thank you as well.
Not at all. 'Twas my pleasure.
Now the Arbor Heart is sure to recover, and seeing Miss Darren's cheerful mien made all...
You're here. Look there. New buds. The Arbor Heart is recovered. You saved her. The Arbor Heart seems glad and fortunate I am that we crossed paths.